we have to find the values of x and y. Let's see to our graph. First, we see that this red sign means that these two lines, if you extend these two lines, and that these lines are parallel. So we have two parallel lines, and let's put that this is our transversal. These two parallel lines are cut by the transversal. So then the pairs of alternate interior angles are congruent. It means that measure of angle y is equal 57. Let me remind you that alternate interior angles are angles which are between these two lines and of opposite sides of our transversal. So we found that measure of angle y is 57 degrees. So y is equal 57. Next, we have to find x. We have here triangle. We have given this angle that we have to find, and we have this angle. This angle is exterior angle for this triangle. So we can use exterior angle theorem, which tells us that measure of this exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So we have that this exterior angle 110 degrees is equal to the sum of these two angles. So we have 57 degrees plus x degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So I will move 57 to the left side. So we have 110 minus 57 is equal x. So I will change the sides. X is equal 53. So we found y and we found x. So this is my solution.